Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprises Play. Today we're going to be opening Scarlet Rose from Shadow High, and I'm super excited because look at how cute she is. Like, to die for. Look at her cute little space buns and her little face. She's so pretty. And look at this box art. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, definitely collector status, holographic. Love it. And then on the back, it has the three girls. Also like holographic-y. And on the back says, the students at Shadow High always let their true colors shine. So anyways, without further ado, let's get her unboxed. Okay, I've got the doll opened and all of her stuff, and I'm ready to talk about them. So she comes with a stand. Thankfully, we love a doll stand, and it is a pinky rosy color, as you can see. So pretty. And then she comes with a comb in the same color. She also comes with these really, I think these are cool. She comes with these books. Says A Storywood Fairy Tale, TM Sparkle. And there's actually pages with words. I wonder if I could read that. I can't read it, but you know what? I bet you if you got a little like magnifying glass, you could read what it says. But there's actual like little words in here. Looks like the Bible. But anyway, there's two books. So there's one that says Storywood and the Enchanted Princess, and then A Storywood Fairy Tale. So TM Sparkle, and they're just really cute little books. And then she also has this little journal, and I think it's really cute, and it does open. I know it opens. I just need to figure out how. There we go. And it has some lined paper on the inside. Oh, this is such cute stuff. And then she has a pen, of course, to go with her notebook. So, yeah, pen. And she also has this cute little coffee cup. It says Scarlet on it. I think it's really cute. And then last but not least, before we show the doll, she has these sunglasses. I think they're really cute, so we'll see what they look like on her. And on the top, they say Shadow right up here. Okay, let's go over the doll. So she does not come with a second outfit. Instead, she comes with accessories. I really wish we could have the second outfit. I liked it a lot better. My doll clothing drawer is looking a little bare because I have all my dolls dressed up in the clothes. So, and other dolls that are not Rainbow High or Shadow High dressed up in those clothes. So we need more clothes. But without further ado, let's talk about Scarlet. Here are her boots. I think they're really cute. They're really simple, just plain little black little pumps. And they say Scarlet on them, I think. Oh, they say Shadow. Both of them say Shadow. And then she's got these sweatpants, but they're like jeans, and they're also split. So I think they're meant to look the color of sweatpants, but have the feel of jeans. And then they have this zipper that goes up. And it is not a working zipper, so don't, try to zip it and unzip it. So she also comes with this hoodie that says Storywood. I think that is so cute. I wonder what they're gonna do with Storywood. Like if they're gonna implement it or something like that. I don't know. So anyway, she also has, I want to tell you the hoodie comes apart Velcro in the back. So she has these beautiful earrings. I think they're really cute. I love to dress my dolls with these accessories. So anytime good jewelry comes out that doesn't have the R and the H on it or Shadow High on it, I absolutely love. And then she has these little clips up top. I can't wait to wash this doll's hair and restyle her. She has the little baby hairs. I think that's really cute. Her little space buns. And then look at her makeup. It's really nice. It's like a blush, like, you know, eyeshadow, and then she has like this orange tint like eyebrow, and then look at her lips. It's a two-tone. Like there's a double color inside of her lips. Like she's just so beautiful. Look at the color of her eyes. I don't think we've gotten a rainbow high doll or a shadow high doll with this color eyes. So anyways, let's see what she looks like with her sunglasses on. Those are cute, kind of. They're all right. They're all right. There we go. Cute. All right, it's time to put her on the shelf with the rest of the shadow high dolls that we just barely got that was released. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Definitely comment below if you want to see more like this, and if you want to subscribe, please do so. Have a nice day. Bye.
Christmas, this is not a Christmas song.